gonna show you how to use DEFORUM.
Okay, alright.
Don't forget to like and subscribe me.
Add it up.
First, you should do the other things I say before in my other videos that I told you how to install a stable diffusion. You go to the local file that you install stable diffusion. Open this batch file. You should wait till the file created. For this time, I go to my Premiere and find the video that I want. Okay, I have 3 videos that maybe is good for me. Okay, when you open your batch file and copy this thing, in here you should go to extensions and find DEFORUM that I installed before. When you install this, you can see now you have a new folder in here, DEFORUM. Okay. There is a lot option for this. I have found a lot video that you can use for prompts, keyframes and things. So I just save a file in my desktop and I will upload that for you guys. Come here, find my folder, DEFORUM, text, and then I just copy as path. In here you just Ctrl V the things, delete these 2 things and load all settings. Okay, that you have all things I have in here. Let's see. Okay, in this thing you have a file that includes init. This is the JPEG. You should create a video for that. For this thing, I go to my Premiere and find my video. This is my video. Let's start with this video.
Merci.
Okay, this is the best time for me for create that video. So at here, I just create a new cut and now a screenshot for this. Export that in my desktop. Okay. Now I have a photo in here, and this is the photo we're gonna use. In here, I just copy that and say copy as path. Come to my stable diffusion and press this. Delete these 2 files and everything is done. This is my prompt that I created before for my another video that I show you in first, but now I'm gonna change this. Output is nice, our video, control net, neat, don't frames. All thing is in the folder that I upload. 1912 512 this and this. Okay. I think everything is fine. Let's generate. For that, I just want to close my Premiere and then go to batch file again and let's see what is that.